as the sound of Lady's magic echoed through the night on Muffle Mountain. The engines on Sodor had her very much in their thoughts.
Thomas, I was thinking, how does Mr. Conductor travel here?
By gold dust.
But if there's a lost engine, maybe there's a lost railway, too. Mr. Conductor's railway.
The journey gets bumpier and bumpier. That's what Mr. Conductor told me.
Oh, he talked about buffers in his sleep. Buffers are at the end of a railway. I think that's how he travels here, on a secret railway.
Belonging to the lost engine. Percy, you are clever. Ooh, my wheels are suddenly feeling very wobbly. I think Diesel's around here.
I'm sorry, you two. Diesel heard every word you said.
Oh, no.
I'm going after him to see what he does next. You'd better carry on and get the mail delivered.
Oh, you're very brave, Toby.
Oh, Diesel won't bother with an old engine like me. He thinks I'm really useless.
I've been working on the railway all the livelong day. Yeah, who wants to work a livelong day anyway? There he is. Come in, and join the party, Splodge.
Hooray, hooray!
Oh, wow.
We're gonna have a party!
I love parties.
Yeah, who's got the balloons?
Correction. Join the party that's over. Just like Twinkle Toes Magic Railway's gonna be over. Gone. Like the lost engine and the buffers that lead to her.
Well, what are you gonna do? Oh, yeah, that's a good question. Yeah.
It's time to finally put Twinkle Toes' lights out.
Oh?
This is a job for the boss!
I've got to delay him. I've got to distract him.
It's the old teapot! Smash him!
Smash him?
Pinky, get back here! Pinky, don't make me come up here. I hate it when you do this.
Good show.
Boss, did you mean to let the roof fall in?
All the way in?
I always mean what I do, you rattle traps.
Diesel was in a dump, but the steam engines were still right on track.
It's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they'll tell you so. The huffs and puffs and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's the really useful engine we adore. It's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the Fat Controller, he told him so. Now he's got a branch line to call his very own. He's a really useful engine we adore. He's the one, he's the number one. Thomas the Tank Engine. He's the really useful engine we adore.
Morning, Henry. What's the matter?
I've got boiler ache.
And I'm collecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trucks of special Island of Sodor coal for you.
Oh, thank you, Thomas. Special coal will make me feel much better.
But I wish I could make Mr. Conductor feel better, too, by finding him.
Hello, Thomas, and your 5 coal trucks.
5? But I'm supposed to have 6.